Artificial intelligence writes essays, drives cars, creates art, and can even talk like a human. But here's the real question. Is AI actually thinking? AI is not a robot brain. It's math. It's pattern recognition. Artificial intelligence is software trained to recognize patterns in massive amounts of data. When you type something into OpenAI or use ChatGPT, the system doesn't understand like a human. It predicts the most likely next word based on patterns it learned. Think of it like ultra-advanced autocomplete. AI today runs on something called machine learning. Instead of programming exact rules, engineers feed it large datasets. Example, if you show a system millions of cat photos and label them cat, it learns the pattern's ear shapes, fur textures, face proportions. Over time, it predicts new images correctly. That's training. Modern AI uses something called artificial neural networks. They are inspired by the human brain, but they are much simpler. They have input layer, hidden layers, output layer. Each layer processes numbers, called weights. These weights adjust during training. The system improves by minimizing error. This process is called backpropagation. When neural networks get very large, they become deep learning systems. Models behind tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini use billions of parameters. Parameters equals adjustable mathematical values. The more parameters, the more patterns it can learn, the more complex responses it can generate. When you type, explain how Wi-Fi works. AI does not search the internet live usually. Instead, it calculates probabilities. It predicts, given your words, what word is statistically most likely to come next, then the next, and the next, at lightning speed. That's why responses feel intelligent. It's prediction, not consciousness. AI image tools work differently. They use something called diffusion models. Step 1. The system learns from millions of labeled images. Step 2. It learns how to turn random noise into structured images. When you type a futuristic city at sunset, the AI starts with noise, gradually removes randomness, builds an image matching your prompt. It's controlled math reshaping pixels. No, AI does not have emotions, have awareness, have goals. It does not know it exists. It does not understand meaning. It calculates probability. It's extremely advanced pattern prediction. 3 reasons. 1. Massive data. 2. Massive computing power. 3. Massive neural networks. Companies like NVIDIA, Google, Microsoft build AI systems using specialized chips called GPUs. These process thousands of calculations at once. That's what makes AI fast. AI is moving into healthcare diagnosis, autonomous driving, financial modeling, robotics, education. But there are challenges: bias in training data, job disruption, misinformation, ethical concerns. AI is a tool, like electricity, powerful but dependent on how we use it. AI is not magic. It's not alive. It's math trained on massive data. And now you understand it. If you want more simple tech breakdowns, subscribe to Garage to Genius. Because when you understand technology, you stop being controlled by it.